In this video, we'll explain what an on-hold tag is, when it's used in quality management, and how to prepare one step by step. An on-hold tag is a visual control used to identify parts or materials that cannot be used yet, but are not confirmed as non-conforming. It indicates that a decision is pending, typically awaiting technical clarification, engineering approval, or further evaluation. Step 1. Describe the affected part. First, clearly describe the affected part or parts. Record the following details: NC reference, NC 123, quantity affected, 10 units, part number, 4XYYZZ. Part revision, AB, part description, hex screw. This ensures proper identification and traceability. Step 2. Record the reason and required action. Next, record why the part is on hold and what action is required. For example, screw length is out of tolerance, measured 10.5 mm, maximum allowed is 10 mm. To be clarified with design authorities if the deviation can be conditionally approved. This explains why the material is stopped and what decision is needed. Step 3. Authorize. Now, authorize the on-hold tag. Record the responsible person, optional contact details, the issue date. This establishes ownership and accountability. Step 4. Attach. Attach the on-hold tag directly to the affected part or container. The tag must be clearly visible to prevent accidental use. Step 5. Lock, move, separate, and lock the parts to avoid unwanted or unauthorized access. This ensures the material stays untouched until a decision is made. Step 6. Close. Finally, clarify the issue with the relevant experts, such as engineering or quality authorities. The outcome should lead to a final disposition, for example, use as is. Once decided, the on-hold tag is closed. Why use an on-hold tag? Prevents premature use of undecided material, supports controlled decision-making, improves traceability and communication, reduces risk of incorrect disposition, strengthens collaboration between quality and engineering. A simple tag, keeping decisions under control. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quality management tools and best practices.